Hey guys, JB here from Alpha Wolf Consulting. All right, so I wanted to come to you today and just talk to you about a special offer I have running for 2026, and that is to help you sort of become everything that you ever thought possible. Anything you ever thought you could ever dream of achieving is possible within 2026. And I want to give you the tools that I have created for myself, the power to create and become any and everything that you want to be, the power of inception to decide what and who you want to be within this life and to bring it forth and create it through your own energetic life force. All right. So, what I'm offering is free workshops, but with these free workshops for 2026 is when you sign up for the free workshop. Basically, what I'm going to give you is all of my collection of works. So, my entire collection of my current works. Do you sort of get it? So, what I want to do is I'm going to go through and just give you a bit of a breakdown of my works. All right. So, first we have the Alpha Wolf Guide to Creating an Unconditional Mindset. This is one of the most advanced forms of personal development and self-creation and manifestation and reality creation. This covers 189 pages of information. Okay, very specific information that I have created for myself. This is my guide to how I built my unconditional mindset. Do you sort of get it? And then we have the reprogramming your mind and recreating your reality course. So this is 278 pages of information. Okay, and it covers a lot of the core information around reprogramming your mind, along with a sales course and a sales funnels course. And then it's got my personal programs that I created in series around reprogramming my mind and sort of or becoming the person who I dreamed of or becoming the person who I wanted to be. So it's very, very good, and there's a lot of core information. Within this one course, the Reprogramming Your Mind and Recreating Your Reality course, there's over 140 hours of content in there, video content that I've produced explaining in depth very complex things. So there's a lot of information in there. And then we have my 30-day blueprint for building an alpha wolf mindset. This is an advanced program that is specifically designed to teach you how to reprogram your mindset, but also reprogram your conscious and unconscious mind. So there's a lot of information, and this is 30 pages of information on how to physically reprogram your conscious and unconscious synaptic pathways at will with advanced behavioral development and synaptic pathway building practices. And then with this 30-day program, I have a 30-day reflection practices, a 30-day practices and reflection guide. This is a 30-day guide on how to reprogram your mind. Do you sort of get it? If you do this 30-day guide, everything within this sort of everything within this program that you reprogram in doing the practices, okay, what's going to happen is you are going to basically, this is the exact reprogramming practice and structure that I did to cement in my mindset. These are the exact things that I chose to reprogram my mind to become exactly who I am right now. Do you sort of get it? Like, I have no fear because within this program, I reprogrammed out my fear. Like fear just doesn't exist within me. Like even if the worst comes to the worst and I might die, like it's okay. Do you sort of get it? Like I'm not going to be afraid because like logically to me, fear doesn't exist because in my unconscious mind, okay, I've created such a strong belief that fear doesn't exist within me. So the most logical belief for me in life is that fear doesn't exist. Do you sort of get it? So when we reprogram the unconscious mind, what happens is our world and perception changes because when I unconsciously believe that I am someone who is confident, attractive, beautiful, deserving of love and respect, like these just become my core beliefs in life. Do you sort of get it? Like, I don't have to want and wish ever again for confidence because, like, unconsciously, a belief or a truth for me is I am a confident person. So I don't ever need to fear confidence or fear lacking confidence. Same with belief. Do you sort of get it? So the foundation of my reality is I am someone who does not feel fear, is confident, has unlimited self-belief, unbreakable, unshakable belief in myself. Do you sort of get it? I move towards whatever I want. Like, do you sort of get it? I've reprogrammed these in, and these are all within this program. So just understand, like, these courses are like books. So there is 3 or 4 books and out of 3 different series. And these series will make you unbreakable, will make you unshakable. These programs that I've created, like how I value them, are worth over $100 billion. Like, do you sort of get it? To me, they're like hundreds of billions of dollars because this is the most effective way. If you do this, you will get the exact results as me. That's how behavioral conditioning works. It's all grounded in science. Like, please do your research on me if you ever doubt me, because understand this, these programs more academically like sound than most academic theses. Do you sort of get it? Like most things, like the fiat economy has less foundation than these programs. These programs are based and rooted with every action and every step within scientific proof. Do you sort of get it? I use science to prove the spiritual aspect of life, the connection of life. I use science to prove the experience of life. I use science to prove consciousness. So just understand within these programs is the most advanced information known to man at current point. Do you sort of get it? And it's grounded in quantum physics. It's grounded in biochemistry. It's grounded in, you know, neurobiochemistry. It's grounded in advanced psychology. It's grounded in psychotherapy. It's grounded, like, it's any which way you look, it is grounded in science. Like, it's not ego when I say I am one of the greatest minds that humanity has ever created. Like, this is just the beginning. Do you sort of get it? This course is going to get to 1,000 hours of video content. This course is going to get to about 600 or 700 hours of video content. Do you sort of get it? Like what I'm explaining to you in this and teaching to you in these programs is very, very brief. Do you sort of get it? There is tens of thousands of hours of knowledge and courses and information that I would have to teach you for you to understand it at the level that I understand it at. So just understand self-mastery is dedicating 20,000 hours to anything that you do. So each of these like programs, but like understand this, to write these programs, I've put in over 100,000 hours of research, conscious research for 18 years into building these. Do you sort of get it? So if you want to get these for free, all you got to do is jump on the website, go to here and say, I want to be a part of the workshop. The reason I do it like this is when you sign up, you're going to get a free workshop where you can talk to me directly. And when you sign up, I'll send you all the courses and all these programs, and then you can go through it. And when we have our meeting, whenever you want to have our workshop meeting, I can go through and explain all the extra detail. Do you sort of get it? So it's a very, very good and beneficial thing because should you take advantage of this now in the early stages of 2026, like who you become is determined by the capacity in which you limit yourself. How fast you become who you were always meant to be is determined by your willingness to believe and trust. So, should you believe and trust that tomorrow you have the potential to already have become everything that you've ever dreamed of? Guess what happens? Should you be willing to trust and believe when tomorrow comes, you will be everything you've ever dreamed of? Trust me, I've done this before. So if you want to be a part of this, if you want to stop living life in a reactive stance and you want to actually become the architect of your own reality, of your experience of life, to become the mind of God that you already are. Because, for example, I have proved that consciousness and God are intertwined. They are not two separate aspects of life. They are the same aspects. Do you sort of get it? So just understand. With quantum physics, I have proven that tomorrow you could have become everything you ever dreamed of. And all it costs you is your willingness to let go and trust and believe. That's it. All right. If you want true power in life, knowing thyself will give you more power than any amount of money you could ever attain. All right. Have a great day. Bye.